Which statement is true about AWS global infrastructure? A. Availability zones can span multiple AWS regions. B. A VPC can have different subnets in different AWS regions. C. AWS regions consist of multiple availability zones. D. A single subnet can span multiple availability zones. The correct answer is C. AWS regions consist of multiple availability zones. A. Availability zones can span multiple AWS regions. This statement is false. Availability zones are isolated locations within an AWS region, and they cannot span multiple AWS regions. B. A VPC can have different subnets in different AWS regions. This statement is false. A VPC can span multiple availability zones within a single AWS region, but it cannot span multiple AWS regions. C. AWS regions consist of multiple availability zones. This statement is true. AWS regions are collections of availability zones, which are isolated locations within a region. D. A single subnet can span multiple availability zones. This statement is false. A single subnet can be only in one AWS availability zone. It cannot span multiple availability zones.